The Academic Industry Partnership Programme is a programme funded by the Shared Prosperity Fund and supported by Cardiff Capital Region. It's a collaborative project with the 3 university partners in South East Wales and the 5 further education colleges. Its key aim is about economic growth in the region, about encouraging businesses to collaborate with universities and colleges and develop innovative research and development projects that will make a real difference to their business.
One of the particularly good things about the Academic Industry Partnerships programme has been the opportunity to work as a region, the 3 HEIs working together. It's helped us to tailor an approach for the local businesses, but also to benefit from shared learning around how to engage with businesses more successfully.
Academic industry collaborations, I think, have got a really important role to play in driving growth in South Wales, in particular, in this context. There's some very good, world-class expertise in some of the institutions in South Wales, which for some industry partners can make a real difference to their competitive advantage. It's just finding sometimes that interface or that way that they can work together effectively.
I think we complement each other. We in academia give an opportunity to industry, especially startup, with the facility, the resources and the expertise needed to grow the business. On the other hand, we get from industry an opportunity for networking.
The beauty of academic industry partnerships is that essentially academia requires industry to move these theories into the practical world.
From our perspective, we also gain value from working on complex briefs and resolving complex challenges.
It's exposed us to some really good contacts. There are some big companies that are very interested in what we're trying to do here. So I think it's given us a real boost for an exposure to the right people.
It has been a highly collaborative experience working with the university as they have accelerated our product development. They have been very welcoming and have understood our goals and our aims from day one.
I definitely recommend this project to other businesses. It's so easy to get entrenched or ingrained in your way of thinking, your perspectives on product development. This allowed us to bring in totally different things that we'd never really considered before until we liaised with an academic partner.